Every gallon of gasoline begins long before the first drop of oil arrives.
Set the benchmark at point 42.
Copy that, moving to the ridge.
Align with the distant marker now.
Sighted and locked.
Before construction begins, the land itself must tell its story.
Are the rail spurs cleared for heavy transport? Proceed to processing unit 4. Logistics vehicle is moving out now.
Wake 6.
Site approval is confirmed. Copy that. Phase 2 is a go.
Steering gear titillation.
Every major refinery begins with the roads that make construction possible.
Copy that. Opening the valve.
An industrial city must be built before the refinery itself can rise.
All systems are green. Copy that. Proceed to foundations. All crews, begin excavation.
Precision at ground level determines the performance of every structure above.
Deltron 5, country.
Compaction specs hit on grid 4. Copy that. Proceed to sector B. All foundations in zone 4 are cleared and ready. Copy that. Moving piling rig 1 into position.
Deep below the refinery, unseen foundations will carry millions of tons of industrial equipment.
Depth at 20 meters and dropping. Target depth reached, holding steady. Send in the reinforcement cage now. Steady on the descent. Hold it there. Right there, secure it.
Every foundation pile becomes a hidden structural anchor,
Flow rates are steady at borehole 4.
securing the refinery for decades. The foundation system grows one pile at a time, creating a network capable of supporting enormous industrial loads. Foundations cleared. Proceeding to phase 5. Check the elevation on grid 4.
Watch the swing.
Bring it down. Easy, steady. The refinery begins to rise. Maintain flow rate on pump 4. From foundations engineered to withstand decades. Copy that, holding steady. Of continuous operation. Lower it down, steady now. Hold it right there for alignment. Hold position, team. Lower the hook now. Secure the connection. Easy does it, maintain tension on line B. Copy that, easing off slightly now. Steady now, bring it down slowly.
Check the alignment on that bracket. Tolerances are looking good. Hold it right there, secure.
Tower by tower and vessel by vessel, the refinery begins to resemble a working fuel production system. The refinery's steel skeleton is complete. Now its mechanical heart can be installed. All rigs green, initiate synchronized lift. Every vessel installed today will help transform crude oil into cleaner and more valuable fuels.
Hold the line, steady.
Lower it another 2 centimeters. Hold it right there for tolerance check.
Locked in, lock it down. Hold it right there. Line up the bottom holes.
Arc strike on rack 4, holding steady. Copy that, proceed with the route pass. Ready to rotate section B. Modern fuel production depends as much on data and automation as it does on steel and concrete.
Loop 5 is calibrated and ready.
Commencing server rack check.
Signal received, proceeding.
All right, fiber links are verified.
In a refinery, safety systems are as critical as the fuel production equipment itself.
Sensor coverage verified.
All loops are green, proceeding to interlock verification.
Copy that. Interlocks verified, ready for testing.
Years of construction now lead to the moment,
All field units are ready for sequence.
and every engineer has been working toward.
Steam lines reaching design conditions. Pressure is holding steady at line 4.
Copy that, recording the stability now.
Copying the stability now.
Test complete, moving to structural checks.
Drone 1, initiating scan of Tower Bravo. Check the anchor bolts on level 4.
Moving to vibration testing on the pumps.
Every signal, valve, and sensor must perform flawlessly before fuel production can begin. Initiating loop test sequence. Valve Bravo 1 opening on signal. Flow simulation confirmed. All systems secure.
Copy that, we are ready. All systems green for startup.
Copy that, proceed with authorization. Control, Crude is moving from terminal.
Copy that, flow rates are rising. Field units are performing normally. Field Unit 4, pressure is holding steady.
Copy that, increasing the crude charge now. Monitor the stabilizer pressure.
Copy, watching it closely. Line 402 stabilized.
Copy that, samples are on the way. From crude oil to finished fuel.
The refinery finally fulfills its purpose.
Let's get these lines straight.
All units, throughput is at 100%.
Copy that, pressure stable at the marine terminal.
Performance test is successful.
All systems are green and operational.
And this is how one of the world's greatest engineering projects is built, from nothing into reality.